Did you know that you can actually find houses in Tuscany for under €100,000? Yes, you heard that right. While most people think Tuscany is just for the rich and famous, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Tuscany and exploring the idea of snagging a cheap house in this breathtaking region. Picture rolling hills, vineyards, and charming villages filled with history and culture. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality. So, let's get started on this ultimate bargain hunt. Now, let's talk about a misconception that a lot of people have. Many believe that owning a piece of Tuscany is way out of reach, only reserved for those with deep pockets. But that's simply not true. Yes, there are luxurious villas and pricey estates, but there are also plenty of affordable properties just waiting for someone to give them some love. The challenge lies in finding these hidden treasures amidst the more expensive listings. It can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but trust me, they're out there. Alright, let's explore some of the towns in Tuscany where you can find houses for under €100,000. First up, we have Castiglione del Lago. This quaint lakeside town is not only stunning but also offers some great property options. Imagine waking up to beautiful views of Lake Trasimeno every day. Next, we have the charming town of Pienza, known for its stunning Renaissance architecture. You can find lovely little homes that need a bit of renovation, perfect for those who love DIY projects. And let's not forget about Volterra. This medieval town has a rich history and a vibrant local culture. You can snag a fixer-upper here for a steal. Each of these towns has its own unique character, and with some investment, you could turn them into your dream home. Now, here comes the exciting part. I found a particular property that's absolutely stunning. Picture this, a quaint stone cottage nestled in the hills of Chianti, complete with a small garden and breathtaking views of the vineyards. And get this, it's listed for just €90,000. Can you believe it? This place has so much potential, whether you want it as a vacation home or an investment property. Just imagine sipping Chianti wine on your terrace while enjoying the sunset. It's the kind of deal that makes you want to pack your bags and move right now. So, to wrap things up, Tuscany doesn't have to be just a dream getaway. There are plenty of affordable housing options out there for under €100,000, and they come with loads of charm and potential. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or a renovation project, Tuscany has something for everyone. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think of these properties? Comment down below and let me know your favorite pick. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about affordable real estate options, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting!